Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to set up the shooting method in your Galaxy M15 shooting of picture or video. Yep, of course. So this go slide up and search for the camera icon. Then click on the settings here, swipe down and search for a shooting method. And as you see, press volume button to take the picture or record video. You can use this button to zoom in or zoom out. We're talking about this two button. And you can control the sound volume by clicking on this. Yep. You can set up the floating shutter button here on the LCD. And you can show the palms of the palm camera to take selfies or start recording selfie video. In this case, we have a special button, so you can put this button whatever you place it and making a photo. So that's it about this case. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe to